I've just put this piece of paper on the top of the print bed. Hopefully that'll stop the PETG from ripping up as I print. I can just throw this out because there's some piece of scrap paper that's already been used from other stuff on the other side, so I'm not really worried about it. I've just stuck this on with the glue, a little tiny little bit, to just hold it in place, so hopefully it doesn't come off by itself, and also hopefully I can just easily remove this. So let's turn it on. I've already put the SD card in with our model for our 3D Buddha. Let's start that up. And let's wait for it to heat up and we can see how this print turns out. So I just finished this 3D print. Let's take it off. Bit heavy. This is the Buddha. Turned out quite well. Solid. There's a few lines from where I didn't adjust the filament, so it sort of shifted because it was sort of pulling on it. But other than that, it turned out mostly well. There's one shift line, there's another one there. Probably one more somewhere. So let's see if we can peel off the paper. Oh well, that's not very good. That's coming off, but also the paper where I've glued it on here is coming off where I glued it. I can probably slowly peel that off. That is also some bit stuck there where I didn't put any glue. Maybe it's either stuck on these, it's remelted, I'm not exactly sure. See a little piece of filament here. Yeah, probably just have to maybe use a little screwdriver to scrape it off or something. I can focus on that later. Let's have a look at our actual model. Let's peel that off. I'll probably have to take this off as well. Maybe I could just put this in water and use that to help break down the paper to take it off. Put my here's the bottom. I did this so it would have less contact with the base, so it wouldn't stick as much. But I think it was good regardless of whether I'm using the paper or doing directly onto the printer bed. There is still a bit of curving where it's sort of warped at the bottoms here. You can see there it's gone up. There's even more on that side. So there's a bit of wobble there. It hasn't turned out too bad. But there we go. It's actually, I think, pretty good. It's also very light because I only had 10% infill. That's not too bad. It's a bit brittle there as well. Sort of hear it creaking. Here it's pretty good if you ask me. So I'll leave this video here. If you like the video, comment down below your thoughts on these videos, and subscribe so you don't miss any videos like this in the future.